You can make this cute shamrock to use for a variety of ways in decorating for St. Patrick's Day. It's easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 3 green pipe cleaners, a scrap of green fabric, scissors, fingernail clippers, and a thick white craft or fabric glue. Start by cutting 2 of the pipe cleaners in half with fingernail clippers. Set the other pipe cleaner aside for now. Form one of the pipe cleaner pieces into a loop. Leave a tail at the very end, at least a ½ inch long. Then wrap the other tail around itself to keep everything in place. Now you're going to form a heart shape. So straighten out the loop and then press down in the middle to make the point of the heart and round out the edges. Bend the tail up at a 90-degree angle. Do the same thing with the other 3 pieces. Now put glue around the back of each heart, making sure that you get complete coverage. Stick the heart down on the fabric. Make sure you get full contact between the pipe cleaner and the fabric and hold it in place for just a minute so you can make sure that it's thoroughly stuck down. You can also place a heavy object on top of it to help it stick if necessary. Do the same thing with the other 3 hearts and then let them dry completely before the next step. Now carefully cut out each heart. Angle the scissors in slightly while you're cutting so that the fabric edge doesn't show outside of the pipe cleaner. When you have all 4 cut out, bend the stems down the other way and gather them all together. Hold all the tails together and then take the last pipe cleaner and wrap it around tightly at the very base of the hearts to hold everything together about 3 or 4 times. Then continue wrapping down the tails to hide them, one coil right after the other. When you get to the very end, straighten out the rest of the pipe cleaner. Fold it up about 1 inch past the end of the tails and then begin wrapping it around the other way in a coil, one coil right next to the other. When you hit the part where you left off, trim the pipe cleaner with the fingernail clippers and tuck in the end. Arrange the petals and you're finished. Use your shamrock in a bouquet, pin it to your jacket, or even wear it in your hair to show your St. Patrick's Day spirit. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.